Ang mensahe ng past person mo, Cancer. I left you before you could leave me. We will be together again. I don't react when people mention you. I am becoming a better person. I left when I saw you with someone. We need to let each other go. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. I'm in awe of the magnificent guidance that available to me. Ang mensahe po yun na palagi ka lang magdasal para magabayan ka ng tama ng Diyos Ama ng iyong gabay. At kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mo, iyon yung i-manifest mo, iyon yung